So now we discuss pass transistor implementation of 8x1 mux. 8x1 mux, we know it is having 3 control lines. 3 control lines A, B and C. Input lines are I0, I1, I2 to I7. So 8 input lines, I0 to I7 and inputs. Control lines are A, B, C. If the inputs can be written as A, B and C, this is my Y output. When the input combination is 0, 0, 0, I0 is selected. 0, 0, 1, I1 is selected. 0, 1, 0, I2, 0, 1, 1, I3, 1, 0, 0, I4, 1, 0, 1, I5, 1, 1, 0, I6, 1, 1, 1, I7. So we have seen all the input lines and all combinations of select lines we have seen. So you would be able to write an equation for this. I am writing that equation as we did in the case of 4x1 mux. So this is for I0, this is A bar, B bar, C bar. For I1, this is A bar, B bar, C. I2, this is A bar, B, C bar. And for I7, it is A, B, C. So we write that equation. Simply we write that equation. Let the equation be Y, that is A bar, B bar, C bar, I0 plus A bar, B bar, C, I1 plus A bar, B, C bar, I2 plus A bar, B, C, I3 plus A, B bar, C bar, I4 plus A, B bar, C, I5 plus A, B, C bar, I6 plus A, B, C, I7. So all the 8 terms we have listed, first 4 terms and the last 4 terms. So you see this, take this first 2 terms. So this I0 input, the control terminal is Z bar, for I1 it is C, for I2 it is C bar, for I3 it is C, for I4 it is C bar, I5 it is C, I6 it is C bar, I7 it is C. So we draw from this. So first I draw my input I0. First I draw my input I0. So the control terminal that is referred to a transistor whose control terminal is C bar. Control terminal is C bar. For I1 it is C. For I1 it is C. For I2 it is C bar, so I am extending this C bar. I have my control terminal here, so I am extending that. This is I2. For I3 my control terminal is C. I am extending this. This is I3. For I4 it is C bar again. I4 it is C bar. For I5 it is C again. For I6 it is C bar. For I6 it is C bar, and for I7 it is C. So we have seen the input transistors. Then let us take these two terms. You see, B bar, this control terminal, this control terminal B bar is common for these two terms. This B is common for these two terms. So these two terms, C bar I0 and C I1. C bar I0 and C I1 we have here. Together it is having, C bar I0 and C I1, together it is having the control of B bar. So I am feeding this to another transistor whose control is B bar. Okay. For C bar I2 and C I3 the control is B. So this is C bar I2 and C I3, control is B. Control is B. Similarly, for C bar I4 and C I5, control is again B bar. C bar I4 plus C I5, control is again B bar. I'm extending this connection, that is nothing but B bar. So, and for C bar I6 and C I7, this is C bar I6 and C I7, the control is again B. Control is B. Control is B. So we have reached up to this point. So this is, you see, this is B bar, this is B. So we have reached up to this point. Then you take the first four terms, the control is A bar. So for B bar C bar I0, B bar C I1, B C bar I2 and B C I3, the control is A bar. So this is formed by this. So first term is this, second term is this, third term is this, fourth term is this. So this is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term, fourth term, together represented by this. So together it is having the control of A bar. Control of A bar. And the last four terms, B bar C bar I4, B bar C I5, B C bar I6 and B C I7, the control is A. So the last four terms is represented by this 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the four terms. So this is represented by this transistor, these two transistors. This is A. So you join this and take the output. This is your 8 inputs and this is your 1 output. So this is 8 by 1 mux. And see, the implementation is simple, the logic is simple, and the number of transistor requirement is 4 in the input, 4 plus 4, 8 in the input. Here this joining 4 transistors, here it is 2 transistors. So 12 plus 2, 14 transistors. In this picture there are 14 transistors, and in order to make this A to A you must make A bar. So you want 2 transistors, B must be made B for 2 transistors, and there is C must be made C bar 2 transistors for again 6 transistors. So the total number of transistors in this whole implementation is 20 transistors. So this is a great advantage and a simple implementation of 8x1 mux using pulse transistor logic. Let us see, this is